Spring is an exciting time for movers. In early spring, you'll see a gradual increase in the number of new listings. It's now the best time to make sure your list criteria is set to pinpoint your best potential customers. Make sure your leads are coming from the best areas and that your minimum or maximum asking price are set to reach homeowners that are most likely to hire you. In March, there'll be a burst of activity after spring break, where homeowners are listing their property in hopes to time their sale and move for the summer months. It's extremely important to make sure that your postcard is in home as soon as the property is listed for sale. This timing ensures that the postcard is received before the homeowners have made a decision about a mover. Now is a great time to take advantage of our daily leads and printing services at movingleads.com. We ensure your postcard is printed and mailed the same day the lead is available, and we always use first-class postage to ensure quick delivery. We make sure your postcard is in home as soon as possible for the perfect timing. With thoughtful planning, you can fill your spring and summer calendar with the largest and most profitable moves.